Hey, second grade, today we are going to be working some more with place value. And we have been doing that a lot lately, but today we are looking at the 10,000 place value. So get ready because we are going up into really high numbers. But first, I wanted to ask you, what is a digit? What do you think is a digit and how many digits are there? 0 is a digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So when it comes to place value, we know that we start in the ones place. And when we're in the ones place, we would simply count by ones. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When we get to 10, that means that we are in the tens place. Do you know what we would count by when you are in the tens place? You would count by tens. So you would say 10, 20, 30, 40, all the way up until you get to 100. When you're at 100, then you are in the hundreds place. And yes, you would count by 100s. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, all the way up to 1,000. When you're at 1,000, you would count by thousands. So, I know it's a challenge, but now that we're in the thousands place, I want you to count by 1,000s with me. I know you can do it. Ready? Here we go. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. What comes next? 10,000. If you got to 10,000, that means that you are now in the 10,000s place. And I am going to show you what that looks like. So here we have the ones place. Here we have the tens place. Next comes the hundreds place, then the thousands place, and all the way over here we have the 10,000s place. This is the one we are talking about today. So let's look at this number here, 45,268. 45,268. Notice there is a comma right after the thousands place. Okay, so what digit is in the ones place? The digit 8 is in the ones place. The digit that is in the tens place is the 6. The digit that is in the hundreds place is the 2. The digit in the thousands place is the 5. And then the digit in the 10,000s place is the 4. All right. So what does each digit represent? What does it stand for? Well, the 8 stands for just 8 ones. Then the 6 means that there are 60. Then that 2 represents 200. The 5 represents 5,000. And then the 4 represents 40,000. Okay, second grade, time to practice. I'm going to give you some digits. I will tell you their place value, and you need to figure out where to write them. Okay, ready? So the first digit is a 2 in the ones place, an 8 in the hundreds place, a 5 in the 10,000s place, a 6 in the thousands place, and a 4 in the tens place. Let me say that one more time, okay? A 2 in the ones place, an 8 in the hundreds place, a 5 in the 10,000s place, a 6 in the thousands place, and a 4 in the tens place. Try and figure out what number I just created with those digits. Okay, so I told you to write a 2 in the ones place, an 8 in the hundreds place, a 5 in the 10,000s place, a 6 in the thousands place, and a 4 in the tens place. The way that you would read this number is 56,842. 56,842.